Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start off by going in with one shade from my Morphe palette. So now I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, and it is going a little fast because I've done this a few times in my last videos. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Age Rewind concealer, and I'm highlighting all the areas that I want to stand out on my face. Okay, so now we're just going to go in with our damp beauty blender and blend out our concealer. And then we're just going to go in with our black radiance contour stick and contour all the areas that we want to basically make appear smaller, and then go back in with that foundation brush and just blend it all out. So now I'm just going in with my Airspun powder, and I'm just going to set all the places that I highlighted. So I'm just going to go back in and basically do the same thing but with my contour, and I'm actually going in with my BH Cosmetics palette to set all the areas that I contoured in. So now I'm just contouring my nose with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder kit. So now we're just going back in and dusting all of that powder away and blending everything together. So now I'm just lining my lips with the red lip liner that I got from the hair store, and I'm going in with my red lipstick from Kat Von D. And this is my final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a few weeks. Bye.